Hi, I'm Joseph Quijano, Certified Financial Planner.
And I'm Jordan Quijano. We want to thank you for coming back and watching our videos. We've been loving the comments you guys have been leaving us because let us just say, we want to help you, your family, and your children get ahead financially. I mean, this is something that schools do not teach us enough information on how to get ahead. And this is a huge problem that we're starting to realize as us financial advisors see out there in this world. So if there's anything that you have question-wise, don't feel any fear at all.
And and the topic of this video is, what do you think is the heaviest weight that you are carrying on your shoulders financially? I mean, we meet people every single day and they all come with the same story. Their biggest weight that they're carrying financially is actually debt.
Right.
People have a lot of debt. We go to work every single day and we make money, right? Like a dollar bill. And I'm gonna tell you that the biggest weight that people are carrying is debt. That is the title of this video. 34.5 cents of every dollar that we make goes to banks, credit card companies, and on finance charges.
Yep.
34, almost 1/3 of this dollar bill goes to pay finance charges. So what a blessing it would be if there was a strategy that people could have that actually could eliminate that 1/3 of that dollar going away to banks and credit card companies.
Of course. We're left with just 1/3 of every dollar we make to survive. So we're talking about trying to make your family live on a comfortable lifestyle, to be able to pay the bills. How can you do it? It's not possible. We need to reverse that and put that right back into your pocket so that you and your family can actually survive.
So if we could show you how you can actually get out of debt in 9 years or less, including your mortgage, without refinancing your home, would that help you financially, you think?
Absolutely, right?
Well, to me, that means total financial freedom. I mean, what would be the best? To be able to retire with no debt and having your home paid off. That is the dream that most people have today.
But does that happen?
It doesn't happen, but it used to happen in the past generation.
Right.
In our last generation, our parents and grandparents,
Yes.
their biggest asset was their home, and it was paid off. Always paid off. So today, we see people in their 70s refinancing their homes so that they will never be out of debt. They will never own their own home. So what we're trying to say to you is that we can help you by taking this weight off your shoulders, which is debt. We can help you get out of debt, totally out of debt in 9 years or less. And I'm gonna ask you again, is that gonna help people?
That's gonna not only help people, so let's get you out of debt, not only paying off the house, not only paying off the cars, but the student loans, 9 years or less. Tell me if you can do that anywhere else.
And this is exactly what the Become the Banker strategy will help you do. The Become the Banker is so unique, so powerful, that's been around for 200 years,
right,
helping people achieve total financial freedom without debt. Think about that. Total financial freedom without any debt.
And this is even better because you get to keep the money in your pocket at the end and not just have the debts paid off. So when I'm talking about getting people out of debt in 9 years or less, and when I say challenging that, well, let's show you some real numbers. So let's take a look at this chart here, folks, and you can see this family was going to be out of debt in about 20 years. 8 credit cards, property that they own, as well as a rental property. On top of that, a HELOC. Pretty traditional American family here that has the average debt. This is quite a bit. If you look at the circles, I love this chart because it talks about the total debt versus real debt. I mean, this family
themselves, they have close to about $400,000 financed, 405 to be exact. But after that 19 years, they're going to pay closer to $540,000 because of interest. So a lot of times we forget ourselves to include interest in our equation. And that's why I love the reports that we give our clients, because it shows not only the debt that you owe, but the interest as well, because that is the real debt. You have to include both of those numbers. And let me tell you, the bank does not do that for you. Why? Well, because you'd be shocked if you saw the real number, just like this family was. So if we go to the following chart now, this plan here, if you see on the top where it's highlighted under that 19.4 years, that's where their current payoff schedule would have been if they kept on their regular monthly payments. With us, we can get them out of debt in 8.5 years. So just under 9 years, they're paying off 2 properties, a HELOC, and how many credit cards? That's 7 credit cards that are there that they paid off in 8.5 years. And the best part is, ladies and gentlemen, they were able to keep all of that money, that $400,000 that they would have paid out to the banks and the mortgage companies. They kept all that money plus the interest in their pocket with the Become the Banker account that they can use now for retirement.
Now, how would you like to be like this family? So please, don't wait any longer, okay? Don't wait any longer. Get out of debt. Let us help you with a Become the Banker strategy, get you out of debt in 9 years or less, including your mortgage. Stop procrastinating. We can help you. Please subscribe to our channel, like our channel, give us a call, and please hit the notification bell because we want to keep you abreast of every single video that we put every single Monday.
I'm Jordan Quijano.
And I'm Joseph Quijano, Certified Financial Planner, and we want to thank you again for staying with us and watching our videos. We enjoy coming to your home, and I hope that you're enjoying our videos as well.
Absolutely. Leave those comments, leave those likes. We always like to hear from you guys. Don't be bashful. We do like to reply to them, but if you guys have any questions at all, use us at your discretion. We are the family-owned financial planning firm here to help you, and we want to treat you just like our family. We'll see you next time.